In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pagepilot AI to Shopify. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your Shopify admin. Make sure you are logging into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you have the right permissions. Creating an app requires access to your store settings, so if you do not see the options I mentioned, you may need an account with admin-level access. Next, look for Settings in your Shopify admin. It is usually located toward the lower area of the left-hand menu. Click Settings, and then find the section called Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify lets you manage app connections, sales channel tools, and app-related permissions. Inside Apps and Sales Channels, you will see an option called Develop Apps. Click Develop Apps to open the area where you can create and manage custom apps for your store. If this is your first time here, Shopify may display a message about enabling custom app development. Follow any on-screen prompts Shopify provides and continue once you can access the development screen. Now click Create an App. This begins the process of setting up a custom app entry inside Shopify. When the app name field appears, type Pagepilot AI as the app name. Naming it clearly helps you recognize it later, especially if you create multiple apps over time for different tools or services. After entering the name, click Create App. Shopify will then generate the app inside your store, and you should be taken to the app details area where further configuration can happen later. For now, the important part is that the app has been created successfully and is listed under your developed apps. That covers everything you need to know.